Morning, visitors. Morning, classmates. Good morning, Jollibee. Okay. Nasa sila yung iba? Okay, you can take your seat now. Where are the other guys still sleeping or need to practice na? Ikot daw sila. Perfect na. They will not come because yes, nakaswerte to kineta. Kaya sila. Okay. So you will going to stand up according to your law, and then you will going to turn around, going there, okay? Kasi dapat supposedly when you go down, back. Sige, according to their law na lang, okay? You will going to stand in front, and then from the front, stand up.